If you're ever in an emergency situation, it's always knowledgeable and important to know how to perform CPR. For people who collapse, they're not normally around doctors, healthcare providers, or nurses. They are normally around normal citizens. CPR provides life-saving oxygen and circulation that somebody needs to survive. Today I will share with you how to administer CPR appropriately. CPR is an emergency procedure in which the heart and lungs are made to work by compressing the chest, overloading the heart, and forcing air into the lungs. For an adult, when you provide CPR, you want to use both hands to administer compressions that are at least 2 inches deep, and you'll have your fist like this, and then it covers, and then you just put it right here. And then you want to go 2 inches deep and deliver a rate at least 100 compressions per minute. And in CPR class, I was taught to administer your CPR to the rhythm of Staying Alive by the Bee Gees. When you deliver your rescue breaths, you want to tilt your head back and pinch the nose, and you will want to administer 2 rescue breaths. And then you will keep doing this until emergency personnel arrives or an AED becomes available. Parents, babysitters, family, it's also very knowledgeable and smart to know how to perform CPR to your child or a child, or any child, doesn't really matter. Performing CPR to a child is the same concept as an adult. On infant, you'll use 2 fingers instead of a whole fist, and 2 hands, you'll just use 2 fingers. And you'll only go 1.5 inches deep, and you'll administer 30 compressions and 2 rescue breaths. And you will perform this, same as adult, until emergency personnel arrives or an AED becomes available, or you're just completely exhausted. And attention pet lovers, pets are also part of the family, and they're beloved, and if they become unconscious, you should be able to know how to perform CPR to them too. You can do this to pets that are cats or dogs, so it just depends on the size of their chest, how many hands or fingers you use. But a deep chested dog, you'll use the heel of your hand, and then you'll place it directly over their heart, and you'll administer 30 chest compressions at a rate of 100 to 120 per minute. And it all depends how deep you go. It should do 1/3 to 1/2 the width of your pet's chest. And then you'll administer 2 rescue breaths also. And I have some statistics to share with you today. CPR provided immediately after cardiac arrest can double the chance of survival by double it or triple it. Less than 1/3 of out-of-hospital sudden cardiac arrest victims receive bystander CPR, so that stems back to what I've said about performing when you're not usually around a doctor or healthcare provider or nurse. It's usually just by a normal citizen. About 5,900 children 18 and under suffer from cardiac arrest each year from all kinds of causes. And studies have shown that children as young as 9 can learn and retain CPR skills. I hope you have learned from my speech, and that if you're ever in an emergency situation, you know how to administer CPR. Thank you.